uncle called Uncle Sam. He came from Sheffield, and he came here for a couple of days. He's staying here for a couple of days, and he bought me this beautiful dolly that it has lots of things with it. It has its very own. It's a Rapunzel dolly, and it has its very own tiara, and it has a beautiful dress, and I made it a blanket out of tissue and a pillow out of tissue. And with the dolly there was these hair clips that go on the dolly's hair, and there was these two blue shoes. They're very pretty. I like the colour blue. It's my favourite colour. There was a cute little toothpaste, a toothbrush. And there is a toothpaste with it. Toothpaste. There was perfume. Very pretty perfumes. Purple. All of them was purple. There was a mirror for the dolly. And there was, this is my favourite thing, there was this soap box with soap inside. I love this soap because it's cute. It's little soap for the dolly. And the dolly, I adore this dolly because it's I adore dollies because they are so cute, and I have 2 boxes of dollies in my house, in my bedroom, and I really like my dollies. Thank you for watching this video.